Oh, yeah? Thank you, sir.
None of them have anything on their sleeves.
When somebody could try to do it, they have to choose.
Right.
Why? What? Every You should have taken a picture of Bancroft Hall sign.
Get from the front view.
I can't do this.
Just explain me. That's Superman.
Welcome to
Oh my goodness, now I have to set that up under the tree?
Yeah.
Not now? Okay.
What's a little piece of that?
No, not now. Yes, I can't.
I want to see the truck. Talk to him, he's supposed to. If you say something, he's supposed to do it.
The truck talks when you turn on his engine.
Yeah, the door's open there. Police cars, huh, Travis?
I know why.
There was earplugs,
Yeah, see, there's a lot of
Yes.
We're gonna bring the presents upstairs
Okay.
for you also.
Out of the ocean last year. I can't even catch a mackerel.
Darren, where's your powder room?
Let's try to hold it. Just a second door on the right.
Hi, baby. Hi, baby.
So, what do you think of her?
Get it.
She seems
Yes.
very nice. That's what you say when you get socks for Christmas.
Get it, sweetheart.
Aunt, I just talked to her for a couple of minutes. What do you
Get
want
it,
to say? I
sweetie.
want to know if my best friend approves of my fiancé. If you're happy, I'm happy. Oh, stop gushing.
Hi, sweetie.
No, really.
Hi, sweetie.
Well, okay, then you'll be
Hi,
my best friend.
sweetie.
Of course. And before the ceremony, maybe you can say a little speech, you know, wishing us all the good things in life, blah, blah, blah. Well, I
Get it.
blah, 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 with the best of them. True. Now, I got one favor to ask.
Did you get it?
Can we have the
Did you
wedding
get
here?
it?
My place is kind of small.
Get it?
Problem. So now, how long do you think it is?
Hi, baby.
6 months, a year? Close. 3 days. Aren't you gonna say anything?
Get it. Go get it. Get it.
People! Let's make some noise!
No,
Now, I know
stupid.
this is a smaller turnout than I promised, and the press isn't here like I promised. You may be here feeling mildly disgruntled because the company itself is closed today.
Get it, sweetie.
Will not give in. Now let's hear that moving slogan I wrote for us. No more plastic. No more plastic. I think I'm going to cry.
Get it, sweetheart.
What took you so long, Diana?
I was trying to find a payphone that wasn't made out of plastic.
Did you tell them that there was a riot breaking out?
Yes, I convinced them to call the cops.
Good.
Sweetheart.
We have to get arrested.
Sweet.
It's the only way the people will know about our cause. We cannot rest as long as there is one plastic bubble protecting a chintzy gift sent to you by some guy who's trying to buy you off because he dumped you. Well, let me tell you something, mister. It's too little, too late.
Sweetie. Get it! Get it! Get it! No! No! No!
Until it's gone. No more plastic. No more plastic. No.
Get it! You see?
No.
What's the date?
March
13th.
13.
1993. 93 blizzard. And Kuma and Jason are out there somewhere.
And Kobe just went hopping
It's
down
too
snow like a
cold.
little maniac.
Where is he? Where are they? The blizzard of 93.
Jason and Kobe could run back up.
Where are they? I don't see them.
There you are, right back in front of your yard.
Where?
Look at Kobe running like a little maniac. Let's call him. Let's see if he comes running up. See how much Jason can hold
There
him.
he comes.
Bring him over. Look at that.
Get the mail? His mail?
Oh my god.
No, it's not mail. He wants to come in.
Look, Kuma! Hi, sweetheart! Look at him! Look at his face.
Wait till Jay gets there.
Trying to clear out the peas. One leg, police officer from Atlanta, Georgia, 3-yard cut.
Is there a reason why people can't put the tomatoes away?
It's a tough cookie. Let's look at this shot one more time. Obviously a very, very good.
Chairman Keenan and Ian about to find out what it's like to run into a brick wall named Siren, viewed from Siren's helmet cam. Sky trying to get to Liv Bell in time, but not before she scores. Carol Liv Bell is next.
Get your mother out of here, you know, I've got enough mother problems from the past. And meanwhile, they have now taken off the saber to sort of get their act together, left the child at home, the mother-in-law at home. Well, you know, she wants the mother out, he wants to put her on the payroll. Neither Stephanie's lover or the mother worked in over a year. I mean, they're a double-cat family.
She can hear me. Speaking of the princesses on the loose, Princess Diana, what are you doing?
She's probably taping this show. She loves gossip, especially gossip about herself. She has a full-time staff that is up to flip gossip about herself all over the world. When it's not in English, she has to translate Spanish, German, Italian. She wants to read it off live. Not if it's bad. So she's reading the clip and goes into this big blank space. Anything negative, she doesn't want to read. Unless it's about Queen or Fergie or Charles. And she
Are you getting them in? Close?
Yeah.
What's she doing?
Preening herself.
What's she doing?
Preening herself. He's looking at me.
Is she?
And he's preening herself.
Can you see the babies?
No, she's on top of him.
Well, why is she on top of them?
No?
I want to go see them.
Open the door.
No, I'm going to go outside. They might fall out. They could fall out.